this 27000 or 2751001 has 16 factors. Find the sum of prime factors, right? So actually, once you people will not get the starting point, right? But once you're trying to think of over it, right? So the biggest hint here is this 27. Okay, because if you see some 27 anywhere, right, you can relate it with 3 cube. Okay, it has to do something with 3 cube actually. That's the first point you should think actually. Fine. Second is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 zeros. That means I can write this as 300 cube. Okay. If I write 300 cube, that becomes what? 3 cube is 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. Right. But I want 1 at the last. That means should be 1 cube should be added here. Right. So 1 cube should be added here. Right. So I think this will add to make it the required result here. Right. So basically the thinking point is with such questions is, right, that obviously because if you want to factor it, right, or to find the sum of prime factors, right, so you want to factorize it. To factorize it, you want to think it in the form of some kind of cubes or squares, right? And again, see that 27 is what? It's a cube form. Okay. So now let's solve it, right? So I can just write like this, guys. The whole number I can write like 300 cube plus 1 cube. Okay. This is actually a cube plus b cube form, which is equal to some a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Correct? Now, my a here is 300, right? If you observe here, guys, my a here is 300 and my b here is 1. Okay? Now, if I go further on, 300 plus 1 into 300 is square minus 300 into 1 plus 1 is square. Correct? I want to further factorize it. So don't solve it right now. If you solve it, again it will come back to the original situation, right? I want to further factorize it. So how do you want to further factorize it? See guys. So see, once you see this kind of expressions, no, there are two ways to factorize actually. What are those two ways to factorizing? Look here. One way to factorize is actually, one way of factorizing it, let's say we have a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. One way of factorizing it, you can subtract ab and add ab, right? A square minus ab, again subtract ab, okay, and then one add ab here. This becomes a square minus 2ab plus b square plus ab. This becomes a minus b whole square plus ab. That's one way of factorizing, right? But if you do like this here, if you do it here, then actually it becomes what? A is 300 and this b is 1. Okay, so this a into b is 300, right? So you're left with ultimately something a minus b whole square plus ab form, and ab here is 300, right? So now you won't be able to move forward. Okay, how to move actually? 300 minus 1 whole square plus 300, and now you can't further factorize it actually. So it kind of create a kind of lock situation, right? The other way to do it is, right, think in terms of plus ab square, right? So what I'll do here, in fact, I'll just this minus 2ab, right? I'll just add 3ab and I'll subtract 3ab here, right? So if I do this actually, what will happen here? Because this part will become, obviously b square is there, right? Because this part will become a square plus 2ab plus b square, and I'm left with 3ab. Okay, now it is like a plus b whole square, and now I'm left with 3 into a into b. What is 3 into a into b in my case, guys? So 3 into a into b is here 3 into 300 in my case. Now 3 into 300 is 900, right? That's the correct way to do it, because already I got 1 in the form of 300 plus 1 square, that is a plus b whole square, and now minus 900 is again a perfect square, right? Again it is 30 square again. Okay, so 300 plus 1 square minus 30 square. So again I can form into a square minus b square, right? So that's the way to go about it, right? So it's a fantastic concept. It's a good high level question, right? So just try to understand this funda actually. So once you get this, I can directly put these values here now. Okay, so we have factorized it like this. Okay, this observation, because there's no rule to do it, right? If I directly write it, it won't help you, because that thought process you need to develop. Okay, that how and why you are going to factorize it. Okay, if you don't factorize, it is again back to normal result, right? But I want to factorize it to get into prime factors. If I factorize in a minus b whole square, I'll get stuck at some point. That means I need to do it a plus b whole square. Okay, these things. So if you do it right, now look here. So in this part I'll do now this 300 plus 1 into what? Into 300 square. I'll just add this twice of 300 I'll add, okay, and twice of 300 I'll subtract. Okay, once I subtract twice of 300, there's already this 300 was there, this one, right? Okay, this becomes this becomes 300 plus 1 into this becomes 300 plus 1 whole square. Okay, and this is minus 900. Minus 900 means what? 30 square. Okay, fine. If you have this point name now, okay, so this is actually 301. If I further try to break it in the form of a square minus b square, what I'll get actually? 301 is square minus 30 square. If I further try to break it, what is 301? 3 into 43. Sorry, 7 into 43. That's quite common number, right? 301, 7 into 43. Okay. Now, 301 a square minus b square, that is a minus b, is 271 and a plus b is 331. Right. So if you observe, 271 and 331 are both prime numbers. 43 and 7 are all prime numbers. That means finally I can write this big number as 7 into 43 into 271 into 331. Okay, now what is the value here, guys? So value has become actually 301 plus so what I wanted, right? I wanted sum of prime factors. These are the 4 prime factors for me. This is like P1, P2, P3 and P4. What is their sum? So 331 plus 271 is 602 plus 50 is 652. So 652 is the answer. That's it. And also this combat, guys. Okay, so this combat, it's a very good test series. It contains some good high quality questions. Okay, so their easy questions are not asked here. So it contains only good medium and high quality questions with some very advanced concepts. Okay, and this from this Sunday onwards, it is in basically revised format. So basically we are moving closer to CAT right now. So in January, February and March we were like away, we are around 8 to 10 months away from CAT. So the questions we put off maybe some easier or medium level, right? But this from now onwards the questions will be of higher level. Okay, and all the LRD sets also, this quant questions also, and basically it's fun, right? Actually giving this is a fun because after every question you get to get your live ranking. Okay, then after every question, the faster you answer, the better your rank is, right? You get more points. So actually those 1 hour test is a fun. And actually if you look at the CAT, you should give multiple sectional tests and tests before CAT. Okay, and this is one of your high quality tests, absolutely free of cost. And now from earlier it was not that rewarding, but now they have introduced some great rewards in this, I think. Okay, so rank 1 to 3 1 year subscription, I think around 20,000, or 75% scholarship, or 50%. So great prizes are on offer here. Okay, so get it live from your mobile app. You just put the link here. This invite code you can put here, Ravi Roda. It asks you for invite code. It is absolutely free of cost. Okay, ask you for invite code, put Ravi Roda, and the link I'll put in description. Just enroll from there. Okay, and do give this every Sunday. Do give this at 12 p.m. It's on every Sunday. Okay, so every Sunday give this on 12 p.m. Thank you.